Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to do descriptive statistics using Excel. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's pretend we have a set of exam scores. I have a 25 exam scores here on the screen. And what I want to do is find the descriptive statistics, which are going to be the median, the mode, the average. So when we talk about descriptive statistics, it gives us a set of summary statistics. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the data analysis tool pack installed. When you go there to do that, what you'll want to do is go in Excel and you'll want to go to File, Options, Add-ins. Then down here where it says Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go, and then select the Analysis Tool Pack or the Analysis Tool Pack VBA. Either one of those will give you the data analysis tool pack for you. So now that you have your set of data, you can click on the data ribbon at the top. And over here on the right-hand side top, you'll see a button that says data analysis. Click the data analysis button and choose the descriptive statistics from the analysis tools. Click OK. Now it's going to ask you for your set of data that you want to use. So I'm going to select all of my data. Come back here and notice that I have labels in the first row checked off, and that's because I want to include my labels so that Excel knows that these are labels, these are not values to calculate. Now I'm going to have it put in the output range. I'll have it start here and I click OK. And now I'm going to click the box that says summary statistics, click OK. And now I have all of the information that I need. I have my average or my mean, my standard error, my median, my mode. The next cells have the standard deviation of your data set, the variance of your data set. You have your range, your min, your max, the sum of all of these values, and this is your sample data set, which is your 25 data values. And there you have it.